Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make the most decadent vegan crepes you've ever had. Yes, you can make them in your kitchen with ingredients you probably already have right now. Let's get started. All right, the batter's done. Let it rest for about 15 minutes and then we'll get started on making the crepes. So I'm using a small crepe pan. You can use pretty much any pan that is non-stick. I sprayed it a little bit. I'm gonna add the batter. You add it to the center and you keep turning. Looks like I don't have enough here. You keep turning till you've coated the entire pan, and then you put it back on the fire. So when you see the edges curl up a little bit, you know you're pretty much ready to turn it. And this one's pretty loose, so I'm just gonna flip it like this. For the Blintz filling, we're gonna make a ricotta mixture. So this is just tofu, firm. I'm gonna break it up into a couple of pieces. Vegan cream cheese, add about a 1/4 cup. Some sugar, about 3 tablespoons, a little bit of vanilla, about 1 teaspoon, and let's do this. So just pulse it till you get a nice ricotta consistency. All right, let's check this out. There you go. Okay, now to assemble the Blintzes. This is my trick for getting nice, soft, pliable crepes. You turn your stack over, take the one on top, it should be nice and soft. Okay, add some of this tofu ricotta right in the middle there. Turn over 2 of the edges, kind of like you would on a burrito. There you have your little envelope. And then I have some sweet cherry preserves. You could do blueberry sauce, whatever you have. There you go. And I'm gonna check this out. Let's see. A little bit of filling, a little bit of syrup. Let's see. The crepes are so luscious and soft, and then the filling inside has a little bit of that texture like ricotta does, and then the sweetness of the preserves. It's amazing. It's heavenly. You have to make this.